Hello guys, and welcome back to another incredible training video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the easiest way to make an extra $100 a day online if you follow the steps properly, of course. Okay, so this system requires no experience, no product, and is beginner friendly, so anyone can literally get started with this program in a matter of just minutes. Okay, so without any time wasting, let's just dive right into what this is all about. So first things first, before we get started, this system, like I mentioned before, is beginner friendly. So you don't need any experience or technical skills to get started with this program. It's completely free to join, so you can put that credit card away. We're not asking you to pay anything. This opportunity is available worldwide. So if you're watching this video right now, you already have access to the internet. So that's one of the key things that you need to get started. And if you have a smartphone or a laptop and less than 30 minutes a day, guys, this is a business you can start right away. Okay, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme or MLM, so we're not going to be promising anyone overnight riches. However, we're promising you a system that can guarantee you results if implemented correctly. Okay, this is not MLM. You're not going out there to recruit anyone to join your team or business opportunity. We're not doing any of that. So if you're an MLM person and you're looking for an MLM business, you can X out of this video right now. Okay, all you need, like I mentioned before, is your smartphone, internet access, and less than 30 minutes a day. This is literally like your lunch break, or an extra 30 minutes just before bedtime, or 30 minutes that you could be spending browsing randomly on Instagram watching cat videos, or 30 minutes that you could be watching a Netflix show, guys. You can invest that towards growing a business that can start making you extra income online. Okay, now let's talk about few reasons why people never ever succeed online, and these are things that I've personally had to deal with myself, being on the internet for over 10 years, guys, as an online entrepreneur. And I'm sure that this speaks for a lot of people out there right now, including yourself watching this video. The first thing is information overload and overwhelm. If you go on Google right now and Google how to start an online business, there's billions of results, guys, that come up, and it's no wonder people are overwhelmed watching YouTube videos every single day with advice from different people who claim to have the best solution to starting an online business. Hence why most people don't even get started, because there's just too much out there. They get confused with the process and they never ever start an online business. Another reason is a lack of technical skills to put the systems together. Let's face it, if you're not tech savvy, guys, it's going to be very difficult for you to go out there and build your own online business from scratch yourself. You need to design your website. You need to think about creating your sales funnel, building an email list, using ads, paying for ads, and all those other extra technical stuff, guys, that come with running an online business. So if you don't have the technical skills, you are pretty much doomed if you're trying to do things yourself. Okay, lack of sales and marketing skills, guys. Look, if you don't have customers, you could have the best business out there, but without customers, and if you have no knowledge how to get customers, you have no business. No sales funnel or email list in place to automate things. Making money online is all about automations. In this day and age, if you have no automations in place for your business, then you're going to be burnt out as a business owner. There's no point trying to start a business if you're going to be spending 100 hours plus a week trying to manually do everything in your business. You need a sales funnel that can automatically sell and make money for you whilst you sleep. Okay? Lack of finance or capital to start up. Now, this is another issue that people have. They don't have the money to start a business, but lucky you, the system is 100% free to join, and I'll be talking about it more in depth. Trading your time for money, very similar to what I talked about, working 100 plus hours a week. If you want to make serious money online the way the rich and wealthy people do, guys, you need to stop trading your time for money. There's only one you, and there's only so much time that you have to go out there and start doing 100 different things at once. So if you really want to make money, then you need to think about creating passive income, which is a way of making money without you actively trading your time 24/7. Okay, and I'll share more about this as we proceed. Now, how would it feel to have a business that is already done for you, guys? So you have your own website ready to start making money. It comes with all the products that you need and everything that you need to start making money. You even have access to done for you social media content that you can start promoting on Instagram, Facebook, because let's face it, people start businesses and they fail because they don't know what to post on social media. But with this system, you already have social media content created for you. All you're literally doing is downloading images, guys, and sharing on Instagram, sharing on Facebook, on your WhatsApp status, on Snapchat, on TikTok, whatever social media platform you're using, guys. This strategy can work there. Okay, the system pays you, okay, even when you don't sell anything. That's right. I've never heard of a business opportunity out there that pays you if you don't sell anything. Most business opportunities out there will require you to spend some form of money in order to make any money, okay? You need to either buy inventory in bulk in order to see results, or you need to sell those products in order to make any money. Or if you're doing affiliate marketing or, promoting other companies' products, you have to sell those products to earn commissions. If you don't sell, you don't make money. So you end up spending all your days, guys, trying to sell, and seeing no results. You're wasting your time and you're seeing zero profits, okay? Now, research has actually shown that most people make on average $500 a year, okay? And I'm sure that there's a lot of you guys who are watching this video right now that have probably tried to start an online business and you haven't seen any results, or you're probably making less than $500 a year, right? Happened to me the first 2 years of being an online entrepreneur, guys. So don't worry, you're not alone. It's very, very normal, okay? And if that's you watching this video right now, great news. You don't have to keep struggling, guys, to make less than $500 a year. And even with MLM business opportunities that require you to recruit people in order to get paid, you have to recruit people, and these people need to pay something in order for you to get paid. You don't get paid just because you brought someone on board, right? They still have to pay something in order for you to make money. So you're not only going through the process of trying to recruit people to join your opportunity, you now have to convince these people to actually spend money just so you can make money too, okay? But with this system, I'm going to be revealing to you guys, you're going to be making money even if you don't sell anything, because at the end of the day, we want people to win. We know that you're out there probably promoting products, spending some time a day trying to make money online. So we want everyone to win in this business, whether you make a sale or not, okay? This is the beauty about the system and why it's so powerful. You also have your sales funnel already built for you at the back end to do the selling for you. So you don't have to worry about, I have to create a sales funnel, I need to build an email list. All of that is going to be set up for you, okay? Your website comes with your sales funnel designed for you, ready for you to start converting strangers to paying customers. And you don't have to say anything. You don't have to sell anything. Our team are literally going to be selling for you at the back end. So you don't have to worry about selling. Your only job is to go out there on social media and post done for you images, done for you content, done for you captions, and start bringing sales back to your link, okay, to your website. Again, like I said, it's completely free to join this program, guys, so you have no risk whatsoever. So if you're thinking, oh, is this a scam? Is it going to work for me? Join for free. We're not asking you for anything. Just join for free. Check it out yourself and make that decision, okay? There's no pressure here for anyone to join, okay? It allows you to make money 24/7 even whilst you sleep. Like I mentioned before, you're not doing any selling. The systems are going to be selling for you, which means that you can sit back and start seeing results, guys. It's that simple. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up. It's literally a matter of clicking on the link to activate your website, activate your account, and you're ready to go, okay? Now, what is the product? I'm sure you're dying to know what exactly you're going to be selling. So let me just show you guys what this program is all about. So Funnelpire is an online learning and educational platform that sells ebooks, online courses, and digital products that are geared towards helping you start and grow your online business. As you can see, there's a mixture of online courses here. You have ebooks, you have resale right products, which you can literally resell as your own and keep 100% profit. So these are amazing, incredible online courses that have been created by experts, guys, teaching you how to start different types of online businesses. So if you wanted to start a business on Amazon, that's an amazing course for you. If you want to start a boutique, I've got a boutique business course here. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you can see there's so many incredible courses here on not only starting an online business, but also marketing an online business, okay? Resale right ebooks are ebooks that have already been created by other experts and that you are legally allowed to resell as your own, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profit. Guys, these are amazing resources here, guys, that can help you start an online business even if you have no experience whatsoever. So this is kind of like a basic, sort of brief overview of the different products that are being sold by Funnelpire. So it's online educational courses and ebooks and products that can help anyone start and grow an online business, okay? Okay, so how do you then make money with this incredible program? So all you want to do, guys, is click on become an affiliate, or there's going to be a link below this video that takes you straight to the affiliate platform. When you come onto this platform, guys, there's going to be a short video here. You'll be able to see different testimonials from other members that have recently used this platform and have seen results. So you can check out that video. It's a very short video. I recommend you check it out, or you can just go on and just join the free online business challenge. So this is essentially where you're going to activate your own account. Okay, it's free to join, guys. So when you go on there to activate your account and you get approved, of course, which is usually instant, you will then be able to go on and promote this platform to other people and also make money. And the beauty about this system, guys, is the fact that you actually make money even when people don't buy anything. Remember, you're promoting a free challenge. So when you become a member, you're going to get your own website link that will be sending people to this exact same page, okay? Except it will be tracked back to you, and then we do all the selling for you at the back end, okay? So this literally takes people through a free online business challenge that can help them start and grow an online business. And if you bring somebody on board, guys, you're literally recommending a free training to someone else, and if they come on board and decide to upgrade to any of our paid memberships, you earn anywhere from 20% to 100% commissions. It's that simple, okay? So when you join the free challenge, guys, you're going to be taken through an amazing 7-day course that basically teaches any beginner out there step by step how to start an online business from scratch. You can use this course towards your own business, implement the strategies towards growing your own business, or you can become an affiliate or a partner and actually promote this program to other people. It's free again to get started, guys. You get your own website link that you can go out there and start recommending this free program to other people. Now, the beauty about the system is every time someone joins this free challenge via your link, you earn 20 cents for simply recommending someone else to tap into this free platform. Like, you're literally joining a free platform and earning 20 cents by recommending it to other people. So the more people you recommend to this platform, the more money you're likely to make. And you may be thinking 20 cents is not a lot of money, but this is like free money. It's like an extra free 20 cents in your bank account that you never had before. And let's face it, most online business opportunities don't pay you anything unless you actually sell something. But with this program, you don't have to sell anything, guys. Just bring someone on board. It's literally like just telling a girlfriend, hey, I have this incredible online business challenge that can help you start an online business. You can check it out for free. Send her your link or send him your link. If he or she signs up, guess what? You earn 20 cents. It's that simple. And it's not all about just contacting family members and friends, because we actually train you on how to use social media, guys, to grow your business every single day, okay? So you don't have to go bugging family and friends if you don't want to, okay? We always say family and friends are a great way to get started because it's people that already know you, right? And you're just recommending them a free program to help them create more financial wealth. You're not selling anything, which really helps with conversions, because no one is keen in any credit card information, okay? You're literally just helping someone else and you're getting paid. And then if they do decide to upgrade to any of our premium memberships, you earn 20 to 100% commissions. It's that simple, okay? So this is pretty much how the system works. It's that simple. You already have your own business designed for you. When you get your website link, it's literally going to bring people back to this funnel. It's going to be tracked back to you. You will have access to your dashboard where you can track all the referrals coming via your link. So you will see who has signed up via your link and who has purchased via your link. So you know exactly how much money you're going to be making. It's that simple, guys. You don't have to go through the stress of creating your own business from scratch, you know, trying to go out there and grow the business, create your sales funnel, email lists, and doing all the extra technical stuff that everybody has to do to get sales consistently and make money. A system has already been created for you, guys. We do the selling for you. You don't have to do anything. You only have to focus on bringing in as many people as possible using the done for you social media templates that we've already provided, because that's one incredible thing that we're going to offer you. Done for you marketing tools that you can literally go there, like download the templates, guys, post on your Instagram, post on your Facebook, and we even tell you what to say. We have scripts and captions that you can type out there to convert strangers into paying customers. It's that simple, guys. Like, this is the easiest way to start an online business. So if you're ready to get started, guys, then there's going to be a link below this video that you can check out. The link in my description, guys. And I look forward to connecting with you on the other side.